Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. In this video we'll be talking about LT wallet using AI and blockchain and social media influence in one crypto wallet. We will go through it in the next few minutes, but first of all, this video is only for educational purposes. It's not financial advice, and without any further ado, let's just dive deep into it. So guys, here we are on the platform LT Wallet AI. What's going on here and what's the whole concept? Let's first have a look at the platform, see how well structured it is and what's going on. As you can see here, you will be welcomed with a little introduction and a little statement. You will find that it's available now on the App Store or Google Play and Android APK. You will find here the white paper, LD white paper as well. So you can scroll through the documents if you want to make sure that the project is well defined for you. And here, as you scroll down, you will find that it's a quantitative transaction of LT. So here you will also, as you scroll down, you will find all the perks and benefits of using the LT wallet. It's not only a secure hardware wallet, it can also help you gain percentages on or additional income on your investments, on your crypto investments. And here are the advantages of LT projects. As you can see, professional operation, excellent team, rich technology, leading technology, and asset security as well. The land of dreams here, you can read through it and you can let the players become the master of the game. Land of dream, it's a GameFi and social simulation business chain game based on Tron chain research and development in part technology with exclusive economical system and the LT wallet and the LT currency as well. So we'll have game fun, you will have exclusive economic system, and you will have fully autonomous community governance. And as you scroll down, you will have the value of LT currency, what it is and what's the tokenomics here, and what are the perks and the major values of the coin itself. You will find that it's only ecological token of the land of dreams, 10,000 times prospect of sustainable appreciation, and enabling more projects in LT ecological future as well. So as you scroll down, you'll find that the land of dream, the game gold here, that's the bronze age, the silver age, and the golden age as well. You can read through it, you can inform yourself more, and you can have a better understanding of this whole concept. Everything is linked down below, so inform yourself more and get a glimpse of what's going on. And here you will have the whole full overview of the economical model with numbers, with percentages, and everything you can go through over here. And it's also help you earn passive income. So it can actually add income daily income between 0.2 and 1% monthly. That's the daily one, and the monthly between 6 and 30% over here. If you go through the numbers here, you will understand what I'm talking about, but in a nutshell, it can help you doing 6 to 30% unfixed execution here on the monthly basis, and you can create and send 10,000 LT coins view on Tron chain. You know, the Tron chain that you are in, that's the Tron chain governing here. And every time you invite a user and bind your own invitation code, you will get also 10,000 LT coins. The currency has been listed on the decentralized exchanges and needs to participate in the AI transaction to maintain the market value as well. So it might need your participation and your involvement a little bit, but of course you need to inform yourself more and you need to have a better understanding of what's going on here. So I would highly recommend you to check the information and get more knowledge about this project and have a full understanding of what's going on. The LT currency also has an unlimited room for appreciation in the future. That's one of the perks here they are talking about for this coin. They have unlimited appreciation potential in the future. They will have a good growth, a sustainable trajectory in the future as more and more users are involved and as more and more users are using this platform here. And you will find also that the interest rates are quite well established in front of you, and you will understand fully what's going on. So as you scroll down, you will find more relevant information here on the platform, and you can go down and you will have the economical model in silver age, and you will have the full roadmap laid out beautifully in front of you. And here you will have the partners. They're also partnering with Binance Chainlink, and they're also having big names, Trust Wallet of course, Phantom X, Honey, and Volt, and Coin98. So you will understand that these people have made good effort into establishing good connections and partnerships with major names in the market, and here you can download them on the major platforms. And they're also having Twitter and Telegram. So let's have a quick look here at the Twitter account. You will find that currently they are at around 73.3 thousand followers on Twitter. So this will give you a good understanding that actually things are looking in a good trajectory, at least for people to grow the community. And I'm not gonna say it's a bit early. No, it's actually in a very good stage that you can interact with the community and understand what's going on and get yourself more informed and involved. And people are quite helpful, and whenever you have any inquiry, they will be more than happy to assist and help you in understanding what's going on should you have any inquiry. So as you can see here, it's quite well laid out and structured platform, and here up there you will find everything you need at your fingertips. So if you want to go to the roadmap, you just click the roadmap and you will see what's coming up in the near future and what's going to happen all the way till 2025 as things develop. And also they have their Telegram group over here. You can also have a look at what's going on and develop even better understanding and get yourself more information. So let's go to an important aspect here with this wallet, which is how to use it and how to start actually activating it, or how to get involved in this wallet and how to start participating or using it in a proper way. So as you can see here, you will start by selecting a language. After you download the application itself on your device, you will start by selecting a language. For most people it will be English, but if you speak a different language, of course you can select a different language. They have English, they have Russian, they have a bunch of languages over here, and then you can create an identity. Of course it can be censored here. That will generate your private keys and you can copy them in a safe place, and then you will choose a password, of course a strong password with some certain criteria, and then you can put your verification code over here and confirm, and then it will ask you again to repeat this process to make sure that you remembered everything and you have actually stored everything, and then verify. And now voila, we are here. As I told you, it's built on the Tron, and you can see TRX and LT are the first two coins or the first two assets over here. You can find transfer, receive, and so on, and here you will find that the TRX will be quite essential for this wallet, and you can go and have an overview and a look at what's going on. The AI transaction validation, of course, is necessary, and then you can go and even further use it here as you scroll and as you use it also for the USDT as well, the United States Tether, or the equivalent of the USD, and then you can have the intelligent transaction using the AI trading. The income is between 0.3 and 9% monthly, so you can start using that with an AI trading, and you can click on it here and start putting the amount you want to invest or the amount you want to participate with, so you can have an overview to see what's going to happen and how things are well operated. But of course there are some risks involved over here, and you will need to inform yourself more about this specific topic, and you will need to develop understanding before doing any financial step. But generally speaking here, 0.3 to 9% sounds good and sounds anti-inflationary. Of course, you know that the inflation is kind of eating up all the savings, so it's good to start thinking about ways to secure your money and to start investing in a very reasonable way. And here you can recharge, and you can start even having the inquiry details over here. You can see that this amount is locked for trading, and you can go back in your wallet and see overview and AI trading, and you can have a bird's eye view on the whole investment and the whole wallet assets. And as you go there, you will find that things are beautifully laid out in front of you, and they're in a very nice cockpit kind of way over here, so you can have an easy understanding of what's going on. Here you can chat and you can ask and you can just interact, and here you will have the swapping functions between different assets, and you can trade or swap between the USDT and Tron, of course, and then you can reinvest that, and you can just put a certain quantity between 0.3 and 9% monthly. So it's better for you to start investing rather than just leaving the money lying around. But of course, as I told you, you need to inform yourself more, and here you can have your invitation code for your peers or your friends or your family or whatever. If someone you want to invite, you can use that as an invitation code, so they can also have the benefit of getting 10k LT, and then you can have here the status and the inquiry running for the profit and rewards, and then you can stop it anytime, of course, but this will also run the risk of not getting the rewards. So guys, in a nutshell, we talked about LT wallet and all the advantages and perks for you as a user that comes with using using this wallet. So I would highly advise you to check the links down below in the description, see what's going on, inform yourself more, get yourself familiar with the whole concept, and the more information you get, the better understanding for you to start using such a wallet will be. And as usual, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, leave any comment you might have in the comment section down below, and till next time, bye bye.